freezer. Had no shroud, so ordered a shroud and I'm gonna stick it on there and go from there. Got a flexible bit, Amazon special. We'll use. So I put the shroud on there. The job was put shroud on and pull unit away from wall 3 to 4 inches. So that's what I did. That was the gauge readings when the temperature wouldn't go down. It's a 404 unit. True. It's got 2 pounds 4 ounces in it, so I could have just let some of the gas out, but I recovered and put factory charge weight into it, and now these are the gauge readings I'm getting over here off the testo. My temperature probe is in the actual cooler, so slowly dropping. Alright, I don't show these guys off too often, but I don't have my replacement temp probes for this bad boy, so got back there a testo probe. There, that one is down there. There's a problem with this cooler. It was like this for one. Ceiling tiles were out. There was no gap, it was smashed against the wall. There was no shroud. Charge on it was overcharged. So, did some work to it, put factory charge back in it. I got my Testo 605i. That one's pointing up at the discharge of the evaporator. That one's on the bottom shelf. You can see you got pretty rough airflow is what it is. I wanted to talk about the 605i, so bear with me. It's got extended range. It's a little bit better than the Testo 550s or the vacuum gauge or anything like that. It's it picks up pretty good. I'm walking to the truck over here. I just dropped out the one, so you can see it's about 25 feet. That's what I come up with. So if I walk right up, I mean, this is pretty much right where I'm at. Inside, I pick back up. Great tool. A couple downsides are the probe itself is pretty thick, so if you're using it for supply and return, you're going to poke a pretty big hole in the ductwork. That's about the only flaw I've come up with them so far. So You know, if you're looking for a good reliable probe, this guy tells you humidity, dew point, wet bulb temperature, all kinds of information that helps with refrigeration, and it beats the meter. Currently my probe for my meter is sitting in my mailbox, so this is all I had in the truck to use, where I wouldn't have to open the fridge and close the fridge to get in there and look, and freezer I should have said. But great probe. If you want to spend some money on some Testo probes, I would recommend it, guys. They're wonderful.